Wagwan ENT.
Thought they could win the war.
I see Supersonic, and the artist we are wise, and the ribby-dibby thing, and the real fucking caliber we are playing.
Supersonic. I saw big 50 caliber go shoot down over there. Kill sound me now, beg no damn friend over.
Turn it up!
So them bumbo like Jonah Blender. I want to them honored go so you don't
When we talking about 50 fucking caliber and the big thing, you know what
well, you
happened?
don't know a mark from Mr. Alter Skelter. Supersonic.
Yeah, what about ya?
Until them, we bust it in a them blood clot for real.
Hold on, play the next one. Play the next one.
Motherfucking nigga should know. And the level, make them hear you.
I see Meska. We could have sent the whole world tonight. Supersonic afraid now. Nobody. Nobody.
What am I trying?
Put it right between the eye. You should never test the Supersonic, say don't try. But I nick knock for the wall, like give the dog your bone. Focus in the earth is going to the field and send another song come.
People dead.
I see Supersonic and the fifth clash me no business.
Yo.
Send another song come.
You know what? When you send them,
Supersonic who send them for you hang them. Well, if I were then,
just
let
make it happen.
Come to them pussy, them clappy I got dead. Bullet in them blood clotted.
I see Mattia. Usually we are love together.
Pussy will come a chat and I come make tough talk. Kill him, I want dead pussy clot.
What in here tonight?
Now they by your shoulder. Dust them today, we are gonna dust them tomorrow. Murder, your inside must see.
What's the Anna? What minute tonight? What minute tonight?
Supersonic, I go murder them now. I go murder them, sit down, that one on him. Your lifelong, but you careless with it. If you're the Supersonic, you surely lose it. Take me up, your life.
You stood get Wagwan in here tonight.
If you escape, but that one on him. Murderation, Supersonic come again, murderation. Now beg people friend murder.
I see Supersonic.
We killing them again, murderation.
We were, you know we should never take this clash, but here we are Batman, we do it.
I want to them Uzla, Panzer.
I see Supersonic.
Kill out them pussy.
You see Panzer, Blender, Spider, Danny, Arno, me.
On the madman, shoot. They never know who them run come this. I chat about them.
Why me still get Batman them?
Supersonic with the female sound.
Man a bad man sound.
I don't know enough.
I see you and me. Usually we are laugh together, don't? You and me, we are joke together, don't? But you see me tonight?
Yo, indeed, my friend, me not joke, me not laugh. Enough time man make me some of the earth start. When me big 45 pop off, no pussy can talk. No girl not fan of them. When you don't know mad cabra, make them know, sir.
I see tonight.
Make our thing set so global burn.
Me don't hold back nothing, Matcha. Me go all in.
Alright, well, papa for your body boy, bun wall always never fuck a battery move, billions in all this. Pussy no fi suck and girl draws no fi kiss. Man no fi fuck battery and back fist. A girl with choke cocky pan, a choke na wrist. Lumber fi girl me full of rope like forest.
I see Sound Clash. It's not a thing where I get rich off, don't? I you see Supersonic.
Motherfucker.
I see Supersonic.
No mercy. Yo. Supersonic from Berlin. We run through the whole world.
Me doing it for the love, for the passion.
Supersonic kill fit for no perplex them go.
Play Baba King sound called Supersonic International, but I play Baba King called all I bring keep it rocking and swing until the morning. Lady one go dead. The Supersonic get a shot in a dead.
Matcha, you want it? You go get it. You want it, you go get it. You want.
Where did I go let you go?
Yo, Supersonic. Tell them say Budubai, burn them. If you're this, Uzla your skin, burn them.
Me just rings out some anthem. Let me play some anthem.
Johnny has been number one. And I put Wayne Smith number two. And I put Shabba rank number three. Supersonic kill them with a bad 3D.
Stuttgart.
So dead sound. So dead sound.
Matcha, what we do to ya?
Under the ground we put them under.
Supersonic, way in them brain. Knock out cane. We kill them on the street and murder them on the main. Way in them brain. No selection. Supersonic, now go pets.
Are you about to use the Supersonic?
Under the ground, we put them under the ground.
That is what we do to you.
We put them under the
Supersonic bad, mad, wicked in a dance hall.
Big up the whole on over. Munich. Big up all I massive them all over Germany.
I see tonight me want to see you suffer. I want to see you suffer.
Look a dill, another sound get killed. Look a dill, them better sign them will. Look a dill, them get some pies up hill.
You know how we do it tonight.
Sign on the will, them one tie. They come at them funeral and them.
Can you say nice and easy? One by one.
General, they one tie. Sure, they come at them funeral and them no say.
I see warrior sound.
Supersonic is the general. Hear me limb by limb, we have to cut them down.
Let's go big up on yourself. Cause tonight, the whole fucking Sound Clash fraternity of Europe come together to witness this clash tonight. Arno and Chris, that was some nice early 50 minutes from Uno. But trust me, this boy is a fucking liar. First of all, stop, kiss my ass and big me up. It's Sound Clash. For the next 2 hours, there's no friendship. There's straight murderation. Pussy. Yo, hold on. Let me check the time first. Then him say, I beg him to do the clash. Let me tell you something. When they played Sound Vibration, I rated them tall to the sky. And we said we never clash each other. But then, they started to play Supersonic. I called Christian and asked, why you start play Supersonic? He said, he finally wants to make money with playing music. All who say music over money, put 2 hands in the air, Stuttgart. Fuck you. Since that day, I want to fucking kill you. You idiot. So everybody who's ready for Sound Clash, 2 gun on it on the blood clot sky.
This is the Raging Fire representing for Warrior Sound International. Mattia, the one-man army.
You play the biggest song of the year and get only half a forward. Go home and suck out on yourself. Right now, take my early warning. My early warning.
There's one thing I got to say. You better not trouble Warrior Sound. Mattia is here to stay. And tonight we run this town. With big dogs and wicked speech. We are gonna run.
Big up everybody who love reggae music, who love Sound Clash culture. Give me 1 gun and in the sky. What me do to Supersonic tonight? Yo, pussy!
Sing it. On Sound Clash Day, your sound get killed and then get buried. Yeah.
Stop
With big bad plates, Warrior Sound send you to cemetery.
Yeah!
On Sound Clash Day.
That's what I'm talking about when I say Sound Clash. So right now, after the nice warm-up what they did, if you're ready for a real clash, put something in the air and represent!
I'm a Warrior Sound International, you know, the one-man army, you know, Matty, you don't know, you know, the boy can't come across them border, yeah.
You know what me do?
You know, sound a big friend. Yeah.
They come nice and easy, but you see Warrior?
Whoa.
You see me?
Warrior, start the murderation. Tonight, Matty, are #1. Warrior will done you. Yeah. Rise up, Unu Gun, a warrior, the champion.
What me do to no fuckers?
Lead the action, dance. You're going down.
And you know how I do it?
No, me think a little pussy will want war me.
You know how I do it, Stuttgart?
We make them know.
Listen.
When warrior fire gun pussy lie down pan face in a ground.
Tell him!
Matcha bust the AK rifle
Every pussy dead before them hear the gun sound.
Tell them.
Well, enough sound boy we murder. Headless body executional style.
Pussy.
And pussy wall when you think the war over. Well, Mattia go rise the old crocodile. Shot boy and smile.
I have to kill you. You know why I have to kill them? You know why?
It only makes me stronger when we kill your son.
Stuttgart!
So go ahead and tell the town you're doing me a favor when you push me round. Cause every time we kill your sound, warrior gets stronger.
Binny mini bang bang, biddy bang bang, biddy bang bang, biddy making.
If you're ready to see sound dead, put your fucking gun on in the ear, Stuttgart! Yeah!
Early in the dance hall, warrior sound a comfy kill him.
Yeah!
In the club, Mattia and ditch big sound from Germany.
Every one of you.
One by one, we kill a jump and hey. All of the dub plated ram.
What me do tonight? Big up all my Stuttgart crew in the house.
Set dub plates playing in the ghetto tonight. We gonna kill a sound tonight. Warrior sound a kill a zinc one tonight.
Tonight.
The warrior sound. The one man army. Johnny has been the dancehall godfather. A murderer sound. In a murderer style.
Let me kill them.
Then some boy a friend.
When the dance on, you know what?
Murderer. Warrior sound a murderer. Oh Lord. Murderer. Mattia murderer.
Tell them.
Lord. We gonna kill them tonight. Warrior sound a kill a sound boy tonight. We gonna kill them. We gonna kill.
And you see Supersonic,
Night.
they love the title King of Europe. They clashed once in Europe this year, and the last clash in Germany is like 7 years ago. It's like 7 years ago that you clashed down at Germany. Yeah. Shut your blood clot. You see Supersonic after tonight, for the next 20 years they will not clash in Germany because nobody want to hear them no more.
Some sound boy will contest warrior sound.
You can call yourself King of Europe.
Yes, yeah, what?
When this dance is done, you know what I want the people to call me?
Oh. Original. Warrior sound, me say well original.
You know what's my title after tonight?
Mattia, me say well original. Original sound clash king. Warrior sound, him a kill everything.
Yeah!
Original sound clash.
And me bring something for you know.
Sound, yes, you.
Me bring something for you know.
Cause nothing but guns and ammunition.
Yeah!
To kill a sound, it's a easy thing. A easy thing. Warrior sound, gonna empty.
What did you say? What did you say? I couldn't hear you. What did you say? What did you say?
One to them fall.
What did you say, pussy? Let me tell you this.
Not another word, we not gonna further. Warrior not talk, you can get murder. Another word, blood.
You really want it tonight? Me kick your blood clot.
Kill them and me pleasure.
You see me?
If a warrior now I make it start, some of them not dead warrior sound up pop up. Man a big bad man, no take no harm at all. This the warrior sound, and your life your last. Remember well, then if a warrior now I make it start.
Call yourself King of Europe.
Then warrior no.
I don't fucking care about titles.
Man not take no.
Cause tonight me rule the dance. Tonight you see me?
Some boy they know. Hey, watch out. What is it? Digital with digital with digital me. Digital with digital with digital we go on. Digital with digital with digital. Digital with digital with digital.
You see me?
We are the done, we are the done, we are the done, done, done. The done, 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 done. We are the done, we are the done, we are the done, done, done.
Let me murder them. I want to see Supersonic dead. Put your hands in the air. Everybody. Now I'm in here. Hey.
What tell them?
Don't under underestimate my sound, brother. Don't underestimate my sound.
Me see they fussy them, I call them like a rap boy, get them a jump over the motherfucking wall. When coppers sting them, for Jesus Christ them a call. Me automatic weapon, them no each and them no stall. Cause me nozzle them no small, when they come to war. We similar to the killer,
yo!
not in loss.
I'm my War 21 fans.
With the pillar.
I'm ready for murderation tonight. Put something in the sky!
Shut up your
Alright,
killer.
hey boy, take shot in my face, shot a bunny hotter than purposefully and Mason.
Stop
Hey boy, take shot in my face, if this warrior, teeth fly, got a space on. Hey boy, take shot in my face, if this one, I'm gonna the whole family waist on. Hey boy, take shot in my face, on. Hey boy, shot him out and take gunshot. Hey boy, take shot in my face, better sound about the shot, copper you a taste on. Hey boy, take shot in my face.
You said nice and easy in the first 50 minutes.
Boy, take shot in my
Me not come nice and easy. You know who me are?
I'm with watch out then. From Matty a little bit. He's been a sound killer, entertainer, real bad selector. Left chatting till later. Represent the police. I want to you.
You know who you clash with tonight?
You one man army.
All my conscience fans, we have for no one.
I'm with watch out then. From Matty a little bit. He's been a sound killer, entertainer, real bad selector. Left chatting till later. Warrior collect the paper.
Yo!
We get book more than 100 times for the year. You know boy never touch me for money. Me never yet been. Never your sound boy warrior set when. The sexy body call them whenever.
Them say Supersonic. It's not a small gun. When it comes to guns, it's not about the size of the gun. It's how to use it. And tonight, them run up in a blood-clad warrior sound gun.
run up in a blue steel alarm. Mattia, the one man army.
Everybody give me a gun and from you know, sir.
Some boy.
Them running a warrior tonight. Hey, that one idea.
Some of the bosses say we press trigger man, no press people button.
Yeah.
That's a tough come fierce man with something. Warrior them a volley for shot in on the something. Turn off for you so we get the next dozen. Hey, we press trigger man, no press people button. That's a tough come fierce man with something. Warrior them a volley for shot in on the something. Turn off for you. Mattia say, hey, anytime you're ready, pussy will start walk.
Can you see warrior sound?
Warrior sound a bad sound, your sound a fool. We take the title, Mattia a rule. Disrespect one man army, you broke me first.
You see my sound?
Well, the machine where we have up, tell them in the regular. It makes some little boost, you will spin like propeller. We no afraid of sound, we bend up them just like a gorilla. Coulda heavy like a let them coulda light. Hey,
ready?
Bring in a you use like Motorola cellular. And crush you out a rap it like within a Rizzola. Mattia, I go kill you and not take a penny bar. If I
You see warrior sound?
ready for we are bad sound, bad to the bone.
All right. Big up each and everybody from you never see warrior sound clash before. Big up Supersonic crew in the place for taking this clash tonight. Right now, you never know before tonight who you are clash with. Let me tell you no pussy.
Yeah.
Let me tell you no.
A warrior sound international, I'm Mr. Watcher now.
You see my sound?
No.
You see me?
Yo, my name is Mattia. We come for slaughter you. You can't take the trophy, you sound dead for true. Big up Delly ranks, my nigga that is cool. When them give it the dub, we know exactly what we do your way.
And Chris, please stop.
1990.
Please stop bigging me up and kiss my ass.
We fly right.
This is straight sound clash. You know what me tell you? I don't tell you big up Chris. I tell you this.
Let it go. There. Yes. A warrior. I'm Mr. Lex.
I don't say big up. You know what me say?
Alright. Then we know we have a one dub. Matty and a copycat. I sound this, then him a go get gunshot. We pop it off and watch all of them a chop flat.
What me tell them?
I fool them. Them better know. Them watch them up because warrior now go talk again. We rise it up and make some pussy afraid for walk again. I'm out.
You know what me tell them?
Give it up.
Yo,
How
Chris.
about man thing, you know? Hey, tell us song what's up your mother, your mother, your mother, mother, your mother.
Whoa. Whoa. First round. How the round steer so far? How the round steer so far? All who say, we are going to do it fair and square. You all guys know about Sound Clash, right? We're going to do it by a show of hands. So right now, please, all who say, Supersonic take the first round, put your hands in the air. All who say, Warrior Sound take the first round, put your hands in the air.
1-1 ENT.
Big up. big up everybody. One second. Big up everybody live online on the live stream. You know, on jugglers.de there's a live voting. And the voting says Warrior take the first round and Supersonic. Yeah. Alright. So, everybody online, retweet. Hold on. Everybody share, like, and retweet online. The stream is up and running. Right now, for the second round, please welcome Supersonic!
You see, Mattia, I don't know what happened to you. The difference between you and me is I have manners. There's nothing wrong with bigging him up. Him say, him not big me up, and want to kill me. Later turn around, you big up Supersonic, and a few seconds afterwards, you just say me not big you up again. What to you? What to you, Mattia? I know this will come up. You kind of confused. I know Mattia, him used to call him sound Rainbow Warrior back in the days. I wonder how you're gonna sneak out of this one.
This is Randy Valentine speaking, representing for the Big Bad Supersonic sound. And crowd of people, listen. There are several independent rainbow flags in use today. The most widely known worldwide flag is the Pride flag, which represents for the gay pride. So can we big up Warrior Sound for calling himself Rainbow for representing for gay pride? Yeah, fucking batty boy.
Over there, there's a warrior named Rainbow in my body, boy. And we know, say, the girl that is here with is just an alibi.
You want me to go out, but you Arno, hand me gun!
Arno, Juna Blender, Panzer, Spalda, Madden, body sing out the Berlin.
I know say first round, How we go?
Hand me gun, give me 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 me pussy clock gun. Hand me Glock, give me Glock, give me me gunshot to head back.
Are you see Sonic?
Tell them, Sonic boss gun until them fingers them sore.
Place, turn up, place, and burn up. Read him up.
Are you see four clash we already win this year? What have you done in a year? What have you done in a year? One thing for sure.
We're gonna die for sure. The sound boy brain spread out on the floor. Die for sure. Kill off everything in
but you know what one in here?
Your door. Die for sure. Them boy they go on like said them rich but them poor. Die for sure. Super.
Are you see Warrior Sound?
Them score. Sound boy are dead in the dance. Dead in the dance. The sound boy are jump.
I see nowadays hip hop is a big thing in a dance hall, don't? Only for sounds are voice in the hip hop artists, but see what Supersonic do.
Right now. Oh man.
KRS one for you.
Like this, Supersonic, you know you roll. Bo bo bo, clack 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 clack. Crush another sound boy, lay them down flat. Come follow me. Bo bo bo, clack 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 clack. The only way to deal with sound boy if they want, hey, suicide, it is suicide. Come follow me.
I see Supersonic.
Load up the clip, them and bust them up. Hear me, man. And a long talking thing. Tell them a Supersonic and win a better, win a vampire. Son boy, you're not gonna live no longer.
Matcha this year.
Hey, them say them a bad sound. Supersonic a bad sound. Regular we kill sound. Turn them underground. Panther them a bad man. Spider and a clown. Hey, son boy, you a go drown.
You see me?
And that decent boy, as a little jove. We go Sunday school and we go bar with me granny. Good morning, good evening, good night, my practice.
I know four clash already this year.
You never hear so nobody a kill yet. We never hear so no sound a kill yet. All the big bad bomber clats.
I know from Austria to Trinidad and Tobago, New York and Germany, you know what the people talk.
We say war, we say war. We say war, we say war. We say war. Running away, we never let it in no car. We say the people are talk about we. Supersonic when him.
I see Matcha. You're hosting the dance called Rum Night. Are you all in this kind of funny jiggy juggling you are doing there? Take your funny juggling to the circus and make a donkey ride on a fucking bike and do a loop in there. You know what, me here tonight?
I get a fat shot.
From the 50 caliber rifle, not a fucking Glock.
I don't run knife.
I'm killing. Spider, hey, tell them.
I drink.
Gunshot them big, like a Red Bull. Pussy while you get a head full. Spider. You want we get half full, like them a Supersonic. We tell you shot them big, like a Red Bull. Pussy while you get a head full. You want we get half full, like them a Supersonic get grappled. We start the deal with a clash in a blood pussy hole.
I see Anu and me. We joined Supersonic as a team. As a fucking team. You see we?
Cause you not sell out your friend. No God this your friend. Be a blessing your son. Please your guide and protect them, Danny.
You know what one in here?
Supersonic take them live. Panzer take them live. Spider take them live. Blender.
Big up the Warrior Sons anyway.
Them sound they don't know where tomorrow might bring, but me sure them are dead today. Supersonic kill sound boy today. Cause sound boy I forget slay. Yeah. So now we make we kill who we want to kill sound not dead today. Supersonic kill sound boy today. Them a kill sound boy today. Supersonic come make we kill them all. Supersonic a kill a sound boy. Supersonic a kill a sound boy.
I see Macha. Me knew that you come hard for me, but you want
Supersonic sound. Jump on dead in the compound.
We still wear the crown.
Not all them can do it. Supersonic. Nothing at all them can. Tell them no spider. Nothing at all them can do it. We use them like half an evil attack. But tell us sound boy step. No rifle, no shotgun, no one pop.
Supersonic sound. Send gunshot to them brain.
When have you clashed last time?
We win. Every sound clash, every sound clash. Supersonic, we win.
Are you Supersonic, Europe's baddest sound killer?
It's Charlie. Supersonic killer, them blood clot. No, because we not take no cope. A sound clash with them, we no run batty man joke.
Play it, Arno, just play it.
Well, I weed them afraid that Supersonic. Yeah. Smoke with chronic. Huh. Sound boy a panic. Huh. Well, if I don't play it, are exclusive. Supersonic, and we run it. And if you want girls in a bungle, Supersonic, and we run it.
No.
We're reaching a corner. Pull up a history, we run it.
And we run it. I see, Macha, you're full of tough chat. You go hard from the first one. You have no manners. You have no manners, boy.
Now laugh. J.O.P. we say Supersonic sound.
Me no business why you run up your mouth, boy.
Why not chat down spider? Supersonic, we no take chat from no boy. Fans and me friends no take chat from no boy. We no take no kick up on a box and no boy. We no run no away and no from no boy.
Supersonic got a fucking butt sound in here.
Them pussy can't want Supersonic, you don't know that spider. Them run off them blood clotted bullet, make them head open wider. Panzer, them boy you don't know this. Chris,
and the baddest song of the year.
Tell them, Supersonic we not take fisina. Fierce, we not set finna boy fisina. Them pussy can't want Supersonic.
I know me no one to defend myself.
Tell them, Supersonic we not take fisina. Fierce, we not set finna boy fisina. Gunshot piggy, we not send tretina. Head get open when shot flicking. Gun, but we a fire name the head open. Spider fierce, no boy can't chuck in. Shut up for ya, gun for ya, gunshot bust a pussy wall dead in ya. Yes, spider war round no comfy in ya. We left you in a bush that comfy in ya. We Sonic have a cam.
I see spider puncher.
Before we kill
Daddy fire blender on me.
The body set of people they both your way. The body sound killer where they both your way. So tell
everybody wants say free vibes cartel. Give me one and another year right now.
The boy try scream out but him neck broke. Him try run but copper make him stop.
I see the difference between you and me, Matcha.
It's clear.
Supersonic real bad man. Bust fiberglass and blue steel bad man. Be little you a baby.
I know from me a real fucking bad man. You know what me do to you?
Danny fire.
Me no business if you gonna carry feelings out of this one. Me no business.
That one your name. Let me tell them something. That one your name. Slow them and be feelings them a carry. Kill you all of them better when I say them a fussy.
Well, Supersonic had the big bad champion sound. He run the town. Bad man don't apologize to nobody, boy. If it is Supersonic, we gunshot.
Wagwan ENT.
Them call me Mr. Lover. Them call me hot boy.
A next difference between you and me.
King, Supersonic. Them call me Mr. Take with them girl. Them call me Mr. Girl criminal. Spider them call me. Well, I true we get girl today. Fuck them the same day. Deliver me yard like expressway. Tasha Kia, Anna Kia, ask Sasha Kia. All couple days she feel like she a fuck same way. My buck a big woman, you know me coulda be her son. Invite me to her house and it like a stick.
I see. Out in the business, we have holy sounds, then I claim that them are bad and them are bustings. But you are Supersonic, we have stood firm in the business for a decade. What have you done to that?
Supersonic and the original chronic jump on them a go vanish. No for talk about bus and bus what? Let's Supersonic and the original chronic jump on them a go vanish. No for talk about bus and bus what? Left some of them a wait at the bus stop. And no for vice splice tune we sound like crap. And them none a real chronics up in a them dub box. But guess what? A Sonic alone never sell out. All when splice a ditch and them have original tune. And them nah do it something panado. Watch it make we rock and wheel. And me say watch it make we murder them with chronics dub plate. And we nah follow nobody.
Me nah follow nobody.
The old place and them nah follow nobody.
My crew, my dogs.
I see you are the one-man army. You don't have no friend. You see Supersonic.
Them pussy dead in a this your sound war. Supersonic I go kill them. We gonna bring back the trophy and we are. Supersonic are the champion. Well, so we go so, do you see what I see? Boy, them really doing that. No for them a freak and I carry on them dirty act dog. Wanna beast, no for them a lick it back. If them class Supersonic and we them cap a shot. Rise up every calico go rat-a-tat. All them boy they have to get flat. We are Supersonic, I go make a pack. We are in the clash and that's a fact. Pussy dead in a this your song war.
Supersonic, I go done them. Hold on. Big up the people to the left side. Big up on yourself. Right over here, that kind of the warrior people. Big up on yourself. I know say, I know me, we are traveling to Wuppertal all the time. I respect you. And not come with your pussy talk. Me not have to big up nobody. Cause me know holy part of people. Me know them personally. And me I can big up who me want to big up. Just because you want it hardcore. Me not have to deal with that. But you want Matcha. You want
Supersonic, when I'm in Germany, we rise the gun on them and say, pang, pang, pang. I know, Chris, in a them nose, Germany, stop the 45 up in a...
Mattia, you want it!
Germany.
You motherfucking stupid cunt, you!
You know.
They just want to war with we. From them fuck with Supersonic, send them cemetery. Spider. They just want to war with we. From them this Supersonic, send them 6 foot.
Germany, they just wanna war with we. Make some boy know this. Germany, hey.
You are war, okay, what's up?
Shut up.
War, okay, what's up?
Shut up.
You are war, okay, what's up?
Shut up. Supersonic, get the gun, they make me kill them. You are war, okay, what's up? Shut up. You are war, Supersonic, ask them.
I see, Mattia, you run up your mouth from early pussy.
Yo, Junior Blender,
you talk too much.
Chris, Danny Fire, come on to them Kaya. Well, talk shit cause your mouth is a toilet. Say what you feel for them, Batman style it. We make your career, nothing we will spoil it. That boy, your pussy Supersonic, them now.
Run up your mouth!
Sonic, how will them fall a child? The whole of them have blood clot melt out in this. Marinate them soul to vapor.
You see me no more? Well, me no business.
Supersonic them no business. Everybody dead. Try to hold the piece of our boss in our head. Ready for rub out from here down to Z. And then say they make them two that get to the main head. We no business, everybody gone. Son boy about in the class before the morning. Put up resistance. Ready for me.
Mattia, you could have come as hard as you want. You're still not bad like we.
I don't know big up man like Panzer, Spider, Junior Blender, Chris. I may say, I don't know.
Nobody no bad like Supersonic.
Yes, a Supersonic sound. We no frightened we trade. Hey Panzer, roll out with the take. The sound know if you kill him, dead in a abortion, so you know born.
Matcha!
You know bad. None of them boy, you know bad. Them boy, you know bad. None of them boy, you know bad. Supersonic, them in a rock, them in a mad, them in a mad like a way, them in a mad, them in a mad, them in a mad like a way, Gaza, Sparta, Supersonic sound.
Matcha, you feel your butt?
Them in a rock like a way, them not up, them not up, them not up like.
Show me how bad you are! Show me how motherfucking bad you are!
Bring him and go hold him and burn him. Badness, pass me soda, make me chop him. Badness, long time me tell him to give it up.
Matcha, you're bad!
Them a bad man, but them a bad man for who? Them a wicked man, but them a wicked man for who? Them a warrior, but them a warrior for who? Real warrior, but them a play number two.
Play me final one.
Hear me a say no, Bomber Class Supersonic son. And we are on the place. Fucking hey, I want to them. Mataya shut up, cause we tired of your story. Inna the arena warrior, you are nobody. We make baby sham, add them to the Sonic story. Champions League and a rum night party. Call with the super, call with the Sonic. Son boy get gunshot till them vomit. Call with the super, call with the Sonic. The baddest motherfucking son now. The plan me say woke up in a Supersonic, then you know what war is. But anyway, I coulda London or Paris. Remember say we kill Mighty Crown and artists. Tour the world, clash, kill and play parties. One man army, them boy they no stop me and me girl them punani.
Champions League Sound Clash for the second round. Please make some noise for Warrior Sound.
Yo, easy. You see that? Arno and Chris flop Supersonic. So I'm sure Spider and Panzer will take over soon and kill them career like they did to Danny Fire in 2010. You see, you have enough tune, you spend enough money on dubs, but they don't have an impact. You get only half a forward sometime for Chronics or something, you know? You don't have a vibe in your round. So right now, let me tell you this. The money you have spent, you better give it to the bar and give the people some free drinks and stop cutting blood clot up player. Can you see the tune where you are player?
Yeah man, I'm a gun heritage alongside Warrior Sound.
I have one question, Big Bad Supersonic.
Warrior, go and bless up yourself, cause you don't know how to
Spider, you better get ready, pussy.
If I make a jump and sound no. Give thanks for Warrior, the one man army. Jump and sound. You have no.
I have one question for Supersonic.
Yeah. Let us take a look around.
One question.
And sounds going down. Yeah.
Listen.
Ooh, tell me how come spend so much money on dubs and still you not have no big tune yet? How come you want test Warrior in a sound clash and from the first round you sounded? How come you don't have no creativity to write songs like the one man army?
Everybody put your hands in the air from you love the vibes me I bring tonight.
Life is so unfair. In this sound clash tonight, this is what we swear.
Arno and Chris, if you continue play like this, I'm sure you don't take the trophy home. If you continue play like this, you know what happened tonight. You know where you're there. Let me tell you this. You know where Sonic there right now.
See that? Select us out the road that spin record on them. Far from the trophy. We win the clash, none of them no really know fi. Far away.
My God!
I feel all coming up. Son boy violate, going to die. We tell them so, can't hear them, I go feel me say. Miss Matty and you bring the blues still me say. Alright then, we might not big in the body, but we gon' big on heavy. Them this the Warrior Sound, them a gunshot. And from them say a war, we gun them not the far. We have the 40.
My God!
We bust that. All them is a Batman select a boy.
You know what? Them tell me I have no manners. Them tell me I have no manners. And I play straight circus song and host circus event and play rum and Red Bull. Then you play rum and Red Bull My God, go suck
What
yourself,
one
boy.
ENT?
Leave sound clash, blood clot business. You see, Supersonic, when you listen to clashes of the last couple of years, them always get the forward with the same kind of tunes. We all heard the tunes before the Supersonic anthems. But right now, this is warrior sound. You know what me bringing here? You see the problem with Supersonic? Tell them.
Say, all the dub plates them you've been playing, we heard them 1,000 times before. Your song it's too regular, you're just a little fool. And I know, yes I know, warrior sound and keep it real.
You know what I play? Calm down. You know what I play? Listen.
Bring your memories, cause we got specials.
Yo! You see the liquor gun? Shoot you tonight!
Yo. I'm on the go, but bad man I try to stop the door.
You see my sound?
I'm on the go.
You see my sound, pussy?
Warrior sound. Warrior sound special. Special.
Everybody who's ready to see sound that, put your hands in the air right now.
What we tell them say, hey, I'm say, magnificent, to me tell them will excellent, to me say, permanent, no come missing, no matter what they put them, full of enough confidence, so me tell them, permanent, I want your name, permanent, you know me tell them, say, Warrior International, watch me down, hey, well, champagne on my second dump, but I'm said about the version, come again, but I'm the first dump, but the fight is unification. Look, I'm missing the bottom of the pretty, but the bottom of the version.
Supersonic say, them are the big sound, them carry the big gun. But you know what? As I said before, it's not about the size of the gun, it's about how to use it. You see the warrior gun, me use it proper. And your blood clot fierce running on my gun, and me pull the trigger. This is Bounty Killer and Mad Cobra. Are you ready for some big tune? Put 2 hands in the air.
Talk to them.
Killer, you starting the dog. Yeah, man. Send any one of them pussy, you got them on. Yo, Mattia, Warrior.
Tell a boy.
Tell a boy. Run come up in a we magnum boy. Walk up in a me shotgun well. Try to disrespect warrior sound. And your law hive disappear. Right here.
Warrior sound.
I no one them Mad Cobra. And no tell them. If them this Mattia them in a problem.
Yes, sir, Mattia.
All my Mad Cobra fans.
Well, gunshot a sing down in a them head like a capella. This warrior and come style man not fella.
You ask me when me last kill sound, you see Mattia? From me start play sound, me a murderer. Listen now on ya.
Warrior sound no kill sound from how long, rather play through the man in a mash up session.
When my sound coming and the dance sound, warrior get a beating.
I said, from me start play sound, me a blood clot sound killer. That one your name.
Warrior sound no kill sound from how long, rather play through the man in a mash up session. But some little pussy will them want mash up with plans, so we decide to flop them in a
big up everybody we love sound clash. That one your name.
Sing it out, somebody gonna kill you. Warrior gonna kill you.
Murderation.
One more officer, the guns in the air. Warrior is gonna kill them jumping over there. All of the guns are in the air and swear. Matty, you want some sound, but it's a bear. Let me say your gun in the air. Warrior, we gonna kill them.
And when you continue playing like this, I kill you on every day and every blood clot time, pussy hole. If they continue playing like this, I kill them anytime, any day, anywhere.
Talking about the the pussy over there so them get gunshot regular. Running a warrior and get killed regular. We don't have no gun and I can run up in a war. Well if a war then a war. Pussy over there so you get gunshot regular. Running a warrior and get killed regular.
Yo!
We don't have no big gun and I run up in a war.
You see the first round me kill them. What me do in the second round?
I'm in a conscience, I represent.
In the first round I murder you. In the second round what me do?
Jason.
What What me do?
Bumbo glad sound boy. Warrior sound. Mattia come fi kill them again. Sound a chat tough, shoot them again. No long talking, we gon' bust again.
When my sound play,
you know what say a sound dead, sound dead, sound dead, sound dead. The killer jump and sound away me shine. Sound dead, sound dead, sound dead, sound dead. Feeling sound, Mattia decision. Sound dead, sound dead, sound dead, sound dead. No other talking, gun exhibition. Sound dead, sound dead, sound dead, sound dead.
So you know how bad my sound is?
Badder than the replacement killer. Who that me here and live in a man shedder. Warrior sound, Fefi done bounty filler.
My God!
I say me fi beat the tribe them off a zebra.
You see me?
Badder than the replacement killer. Yes, yeah, warrior, you are the one. Killer sound boy, Mattia is the one. People them say, warrior play so bad. People them say, warrior play so mad. The dubs ride me, them sound nicely. Mattia, killer sound boy tonight.
All who wanna see sound dead, give me some motherfucking signal, Stuttgart.
Warrior sound, killer sound them mama ballin'. Don't kill them sound them mama ballin'. Turn them in a, turn them in a, turn them in a dopey. Turn them in a, turn them in a, turn them in a dopey. Warrior sound the people them love you. Can you kill sound easy in a bomba?
Ready?
Turn them in a, turn them in a, turn them in a dopey. Your warrior sound tell them say, bad people not tip and not talk.
One man army.
I said fuck you, King of Europe.
That's tonight I made a girl.
You know who you play with?
Me say them boring, them dead before.
Who you play with?
Warrior sound, we are the sound class king. Sound class king. And the boy the summit and baby king. Sound class king. Sound class king. No, we not no lame thing. No boring. Sound class king. Sound class king. And the boy this you know them belly king. Sound class king.
You know what? The big bad Supersonic. The big bad Supersonic. I was like, yo, I'm clashing the big bad Supersonic. But I clashed two doppies. I clashed two fucking pussies that never connect to the crowd by now. In my opinion, them flop themselves. I never thought it would be easy like this to kill a sound that called themselves King of Europe. I never thought it's gonna be that easy, Arno and Chris.
One man army, you see me? Suck on the mama. Blood clot, God is here. Sound boy dead easy. Rest the rifle upon the head and then we squeeze it.
Yeah. Championz League, are you still there? Hey! Come on, nice. Yeah, man. We have a mic. Alles cool. Big up Reggae Bash. Big up Club Talam. We're going to talk about this after the dance. All right. Yeah, man. As we continue, be it dancehall entertainment tonight. Big Championz League clash tonight. Big up everybody in here tonight. The war is on. The war is on. This was round number 2. This was the second round. Right now, everybody, just take 1 second and think about the second round. Who played which tune? Who said what? What happened in the second round? Just make it clear to yourselves. All right, I'm going to ask you a very important question right now. Who take the second round? All who say Supersonic, take the second round. Put your hands in the air now. Okay. Then, all who say Warrior Sound, take the second round. Put your hands in the air now. Okay. Can we go on now? Stuttgart, can we go on now? Can we go on now? Are you ready for round number 3? Then make some noise for Supersonic!
Yes, people. I know from early it would have been hard for me. I know so you see Spider, him are the baddest MC in Europe. Don't everybody who say Spider are the baddest MC in Europe say peng peng. And you see me, for me, it's like the most high to play Supersonic. You know, I will never forget the day when Spider asked me, can you play Supersonic? And it was never my intention to leave my old sound. But you know, from day one, when I got into the sound business, Supersonic was always the sound I was looking up to. And this is, for me, the best thing ever could happen in my life, to get requested from the baddest MC what I was looking up for.
Wagwan
You see,
ENT.
I know it's gonna be hard for me, but I'm gonna walk my way. Tonight, you go hard for me, and it's alright. But you know it's not all about the tough chat you are come with. It's all about big tunes. And you talking about Supersonic, we don't have no creativity, no originality in our songs. Can you please remember how many fucking big tunes and anthem Supersonic boss in our history? Quiet no man, play me song.
Hey, this is pure disrespect. Enough disrespect, pure disrespect, sound guy. This enough disrespect, so could you step aside now? Supersonic come to take over, yes. Sound guy, you don't know who you're playing with, so it's time you retire.
It's still Supersonic.
Won't you step aside now and let me show you how the bands are run dance, oh yeah. Yeah, you need good plates and some.
I know I'm gonna take my time. I'm gonna find my way.
Sound guy, you not ready. Try to test out the champion sound in front of everybody. You're gonna regret every moment. Yeah, we are gonna trample you till you black and blue. We are gonna murder you. It's a wrong thing that you do. We won't be your friend. I'll warrant to the end, and Supersonic will be around, always around.
We will be always around. And you know what we do?
Ooh yeah, now, now. Ooh yeah, now, now.
Hear it now. You are go dead in the sound clash. Supersonic I go win that.
You talk about the original tune?
Oh, we are saying it, come on. Hey, hey, hey. Blaze it, brother. Yes,
You see Supersonic all over the world we play.
World of reggae music on ya.
It's all about music, my youth.
It is written that line lives to the abomination to the Lord. Speak the truth, speak it ever cause you get the faith. Type of son boy, ever select the wrong the plate in here tonight.
I see Supersonic, let me bust on anthems right now.
Surrender your sound and all of your dub play. The truth is there for who have ears to hear.
Body sound.
Partially had no place in this sound clash.
Tell them spider. Yeah.
Remember these dubs of prophecy. I say,
I see half of the years.
Come, the chosen rides. Supersonic, they're bound.
Yeah.
You know the chosen.
You're talking about original tune.
Supersonic from the area. You know the chosen rides. A Supersonic from the.
I see there's not to rush for Supersonic tonight. What me shove off?
And the wickedest song we ever play. To play the people night and day. That
one more combination.
It's obvious. I'm missing God. I hope you have got it.
Matya.
Take a ride, sound boy, take a ride. Take a ride and leave the dance hall. Take a ride, sound boy.
Once again, you're talking about original tune. Play me Bojo. Play me Bojo.
this stuff cannot be measured in amount.
Hey, let the Supersonic sound.
Big sound play big tunes.
A spider to the blender than the fire. Someone never will understand it. How spider and panzer lock it down. There is no hope.
Big up the boss them.
No loophole, no escape for idiots out it. Cause every time you lift your head above water, try to save yourself from drown. Panzer have up a bucket of water.
I just stood got big tune I go fling.
You back down, Supersonic, locking off something burn. Oh gosh.
I see the difference between Supersonic and you.
Supersonic.
We have been around the whole year. The whole year we have been around.
Supersonic killing sounds every day from Monday to Sunday.
Who have you been clashing this year?
Every day of the week, yeah.
Hold on. I know you want to see Spider. I know you want to see him. I know you want to see Panza. I know you want to see Junior Blender. I know me have to yell up my boss. Big up Spider for passing the torch. Just because you're not on the mic tonight, that doesn't mean that you are retired. Big up my boss.
Boy, a fool. Bye, 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 bye. Supersonic Bojo. Shabarankin, what time? You like Major Macquarie Jr.
What my boss there?
All while. Hey, Spider the driver. Tell them say you won't stop at all. Kill them in a Germany or in a New
Rock up to the pit.
Hey,
but are you full of loose talk?
Over there, so them idiot sounding.
I see Matem full of loose talk.
Full sounding. Supersonic, them sound they are no threat. Them sound they are no threat. We sound like CD, but them sound
a big tune we are juggle.
Sound for dead. Sound like a dead. Digga, no, no. Sing. Sound killer.
What them got Supersonic?
Kill them already, we go and kill them again. Murder them already, we go and murder them again. Dust them already, we go and...
What Supersonic know for?
Like a sound killer. Intercamera, tell me to come. We go listen Supersonic, I kill some sound. Oh wait, shiddly wop, diddly whoa. Sing Supersonic, you're
and brother them Broadway. Hold on, Matcha. You make a talk like every time Supersonic come and clash, you play the same set of tune. What kind of new tune you are play? What kind of new tune you play from night?
Original thing now.
Big up all my Supersonic fans in here. You see that one there?
Down in the dance hall they got lots of dibby song wise. Play selections, but the masters they sound.
Hey!
Won't you stop and listen to Supersonic?
As we say, big up all of the Supersonic fans in the place. But never let you down.
Supersonic's playing. I can hear the sound boy crying on and on. Like a baby. On and on.
Everybody wants to say Supersonic still a back sound. Give me one. Jesus Christ. Play me Beanie Arno. I see Beanie.
This a rock? Hey, testing 1, 2, 3. Respect those who respect me. Fight against those who fight against me.
You see?
You love me. Power those who
big up, Boofy, big up.
Those who love me.
Big up, Boofy, big up.
Chop up those who chop up for me. Bumbo cloud, you watching on TV. Tell me say I don't give a damn. I don't give a fuck. You're bad luck. You forget up and up or say you want suck. I don't give a damn. I don't give a fuck.
I don't me feel like me play some tune where Supersonic originated.
It's the world's famous MOP. Holding it down. Yeah. Berlin, Germany. Supersonic. Spider. Panzer. Dr. Blender. Danny Fire.
It's Christian Arno, but guess what?
Kill that sound. Yo, kill that sound. Mr. Supersonic.
Can I play a black cartel?
Supersonic no throw wood. Me throw gunshot and spill blood. Face happy like mud. And you them said the first time me kill me a 10. When them bad from me no know.
But you claim that you are Batman. You claim that you are Batman.
Let me tell you this.
Let me ask you this.
Me kill and you no see. One to them.
Supersonic shots. You ever seen a bullet flying straight out of a Glock? Have you ever stand beside a man and jeans color crack? Have you ever get a gunshot for no bug with hat? Holy yellow batty man a chat and come and tell me
What one ENT?
Have you ever seen a fucking gun like this?
How the bomber clad yo? We are Supersonic come fi slaughter you. Out fi lost every single part of you. And from a Bible gun we only taught of you.
I see big up jugglers for the promotion. I see Supersonic. When me come in the next man territory, me not come fi playing it no boy.
I will love panel like a dibby. What borderline?
You know what them call us, King of Europe?
Tell us something, Supersonic.
You know why?
It's all over this. Suck them, man. Them no one, you reach nowhere. But a money over enemy. Supersonic, them a say. Supersonic, right now at the top is just us. At the top is just us. Them can't stop it just us. If them can't stop
it. But I have one thing for tell you.
Supersonic ready. I have for those that all are burning German and we walk with them also the kingdom down like a mountain. It must have blood like a fountain. A Supersonic so
but you one thing to tell you.
Alright. Some boys send a prayer to the Father. Fi send a chariot fi carry you go home. Supersonic sound a bust the case them with Tana. Ready for every jump and sound underground. Tonight a little fool you go get murdered. Them pull up a chat but them a rise for your fall. Jump on head back splash out on the wall. Now the mother ball. Supersonic say you kill we a go kill them.
The bumbo clap.
This. Oh yeah.
You're still not bad like Supersonic.
Laugh off of them clown.
You might go good tonight.
Somebody a good song.
You are.
Supersonic sing this. None of them pussy they not bad like we. None of them pussy they not tough like we. And none of them pussy they not rough. Life is a treasure that cannot be measured. Pussy wall. None of only idiot sound not bad like we. And none of no selector them not tough like we. And none of
I see you know why nobody bad like Supersonic and Europe. It's simple.
Who send them? Make it on them. Make it sound. It offend them. Not tie them up and let me lick up puppy seeds and yam them. Man a bad man from long time ago.
It's simple.
We are bionic. If it's blood clot iron, the pussy this program gunshot, we shall bust it. Well, this is being the man, the king of the dance hall, big enough spider, pants and all yourself.
You know why nobody bad like we? It's simple.
Sonic better than the rest, you know. Tougher than the rest, you know. All them are going to Sonic, them can't test, you know.
Let me play some fire in
you
ya.
done with Skipton, aka King Shango, alongside Gentleman, aka Isleman. I'm gonna throw a panther. I'm gonna say Spider. Arno. Yeah, man, Chris. Junior Blender. Danny Fire.
Are you ready for some fire in ya?
One your name. A Supersonic a go bunde. Supersonic a go dunde. Supersonic a go bunde. Burn them up, yeah.
Burn them up,
yeah. Supersonic a go
dunde. Are you ready for Germany's biggest reggae export ever? Are you ready for Gentleman?
Burn them up, yeah. Burn them up, yeah.
We murder some boy from a distance. You got kids in all the clash and we now respond.
Hold on. As me told you early on, Matcha are for me close friend. But you know what? Tonight your life are go end and it always are the close friends. You are one.
Supersonic. Pick up my dog, Rush. I'm a soldier.
Come play some new tune if you're bad.
Supersonic. Hey. For every time that takes another soldier. Supersonic, I can feel it get closer to me. Django, we unite when this battle is over. Panzer, but them always seems to take the ones who close to me. To every soldier that die for a cause,
die upon the battlefield. Mattia, him start the clash with telling you that I'm full of lies. But you hear him? Him tell you I left Sound Vibration because I want to make some money. You really feel like I'm making money? You really feel like Supersonic is making money? Everything we're coming, get invest. You see, this is the only way you can be a sound killer. Sound clash is not a thing you can enrich for. Imagine how much money we have spent. Now bring no blood clot stupid argument to me, pussy.
The big bad mighty fucking sound out of Berlin, Germany. Yo, Supersonic.
Now bring no fucking money argument to me, pussy.
How made them vanish? Yo, Supersonic sound not in a good mood. Cause a idiot son boy try to take him food, yeah. Hurry, come up, come up, find next.
I see, Matthew, you know what going when me get vexed, you fucking idiot, you. Bounty again!
Yo, Supersonic. I want to them boy. Pull it up in the middle like a shit tronic. Talk to them at the king of Europe.
I see when me get vexed.
Supersonic. Get we cross Supersonic, kill people.
I see you and your big chat, you and your fucking mouth you run up all night long.
Yo, curse, yo, blender, not off the road. But people, they move. My son, they move.
That talk while you a boss. Just a fucking loose speech, my own.
Germany, some boy.
What do you, Matthew?
Supersonic, Mattia pull the trigger, but them little gun did empty. Sonic pull the trigger, warrior sound get gunshot plenty. Show them yamis as.
Play it again, Arno!
Yo, curse, yo, blender, not off the road. But people, they move. My son, they move, yeah.
Just come in, you lose argument. Just come in. Just come in.
Some boy, if you know, say Supersonic, Supersonic, Mattia pull the trigger, but them little gun did empty. Sonic pull the trigger, warrior sound get gunshot plenty. Show them yummy suspensely, shot them intensely. Supersonic rise the clock and kill the one-man army.
Round number 3, Warrior Sound! Yeah. You see Super got Sonic with a big gun. You not aim right, you don't shoot the target. Me with my little gun, me look, aim the target, one shot, and your blood clot dead. All one see Supersonic there with one blood clot shot. Put your motherfucking gun on in the sky!
Warrior Sound International.
How me do it?
Mattia, we not chase like some big pussy girl. The one-man army, I want some boy. Them see I want come swarm with. But let me tell you something, the pussy push up them.
You see my little gun? One shot.
Cabra.
How me do it?
Warrior Sound said, yeah. One shot sounded that a warrior way. Set your face, pussy, well and find if we a play. Them say war match, you ready, feet right away.
Yo!
You say this dead right away, you get it. One shot sounded that a warrior way.
Simple.
Your face, pussy, well you think say we a play.
And then them say, let me show you that Supersonic is full of big tune, full of creativity. And you play like 5 Barry Cement, which sound like the fucking 45. No special lyrics. Yo, so fucking lame. Go suck on yourself, boy. Go suck on yourself. You see the problem? You see the problem with Supersonic?
Yeah. Play Warrior Sound International.
I want everybody to listen.
Hey.
You see the problem with the so-called big sound?
Yes. No one tries to voice their dub plates as a special. Every little sound just sounds the same, yeah. But right now,
listen.
Here comes a Warrior International.
All who want to see sounded, put 2 hands in the air. We are from left to right. All who want to see sounded.
Warrior just killed sound.
Yeah.
My
God!
Rock it from now till the morning sun comes shining.
Back to reality.
Warrior, you just killed.
Supersonic has won a lot of clashes recently.
Jumping.
But tonight you fucking flop. You see tonight, Supersonic.
Mattia, the one man, I beg my friend. Kill them in the sound class, yo. Hey.
Listen again.
Sound class.
Listen again, everybody. Supersonic tonight.
Sound boy, well in this class, you flap and lose. Warrior sound rule the night, and there's no excuse. In a sound class, them come loose. Them flap and lose. Hey, sound boy, in a this a class, you flap and lose. Warrior sound rule the night, and there's no one to. I me say in a this a class, them lose.
All who say warrior sound lead so far, say yeah.
I say yeah. A warrior sound a play.
Yeah.
I say yes, sound boy. The number one sound a play.
Tell us so.
Seek it up, sound boy. You hear what I say now? Take out your tin pan sound of the land, and you will get no hurt now.
And you know what, Supersonic?
You do what I say.
As I said, always when them don't connect or flop, them hide behind the so-called anthems and big tunes. But you know what? That not working here tonight. Chris and Arno, you know what you better do? You better let Spider, Panzer and Blender take over. And you know what Arno and Chris better do?
Say goodbye to Sound Clash. Yeah, well, greetings to the world. Vice of the one called Big Gangzilla.
You know what them better do?
International.
You know what them better do?
Them can't harm we, you know.
Arno and Chris.
Yes, Lion, you.
Out in the street, they call it murder.
Listen.
Say goodbye to Sound Clash. Warrior killer sound in a combat.
Arno, Chris, one advice.
Say goodbye to Sound Clash. Yeah, well, greetings to the world. Vice of the one called Big Gangzilla. Sound of the one called Warrior Sound.
All who say warrior lead, put your motherfucking 2 hands in the air.
You know?
Everybody over here, sir. Tell them.
Out in the street, they call it murder.
Say goodbye to Sound Clash. Warrior killer sound in a combat. With 2 ton of dub in a dub box. Sound boy get shot, you get flap. Mattia is too bad. Find ambulance, pan contact. Sound boy no know this. Warrior sound them a collect trophies. Mattia kill you and get the glory. No bedtime stories. No pose like your name Chuck Norris.
Yo!
And don't know the real hardcore.
And you see them?
And no back to Mattia, him we do what him got to. And
on the phone, he honestly said to me, I play Sonic, I finally want to make some money with music. From that day, I want to kill them, and you know what?
Laughing, no. Mattia for laughing, no.
Now pussy can't this warrior sound. Come Mattia, I tore them down.
You not ready for Supersonic yet? Arno and Chris.
Last thing not on iron, hell not on Zion. So how can a dog turn lion? No sound that get fingernail, yam big steel.
Yo!
All of them skin like lion. You hear me say, never da me that me na me yellow fever that you know like Mattia. Suck out your mother.
Yeah! After tonight, Chris and Arno will not talk to me for a couple of weeks. I don't care.
Them not like we and we not like them. Them are we enemy, we and them no friend. Them no kill we and we kill them. Go tell them how you sound. We no beg people, friend will come again. We burn up all the informer, them will come again. We burn up all the backbiter, them will come again. We burn up all the...
Alu said Ninja Man is the baddest clash DJ alive. Alu said Ninja Man is the baddest. Put your motherfucking gun on in the ear. Yo!
I said it's hard to be away from some sound we have to kill. And though jumping life for slowly drifting by. Yeah, me now, I say that a jumping will be home in the grave where we belong.
What me do?
I'm sending you this doublet to you.
Everybody start where?
Hey. Two, I say nothing you could do could make me run away from this slasher.
Yo, stop.
No sound in the verse of across the warrior sound border. Warrior border, zip and I'm telling you from the start. Mattia, I fight the dart and we're looking at the
what me do tonight, Arno and Chris? Blender, Spider, Panzer, what me do?
Me say you guy murder them.
I want to them. A bullet for them. Why show them a gunshot do to them? Hey, a crime sound, you know. Warrior sound. Why we call me in? So them call me yo. Shoot to kill, crush, kill and destroy. You can't take warrior sound fit tie. Shoot to kill, crush, kill and destroy.
Yeah!
Can't kill Matia cause you know about it.
Tell them!
Gun out, tell the funeral love to keep. Gun out.
All who say my dub plates are better tonight. So all who say my dub plates better, give me some motherfucking signal. You see Warrior tonight?
Warrior sound, you play the wickedest dub. 45 and we play rubber dub. Warrior sound where the people
yo! And you see my dance, since 3 years the rum night is sold out. When Supersonic keep a Supersonic night, it's half full. So promoters, you know who we book, let me tell you this. You know what?
Whoa, Lord God, you want to dance around? Call me. You want a nice party?
Yo, 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 Sekel and Seas. Stuttgart, you know what? I'm not like the other sounds Supersonic clashed so far. I'm not like any other sound on this planet. You see Warrior Sound? I have my own style of playing music. I have my own style of voicing doublets and stuff like that. You see me? I stand alone. Let me tell you this.
Now hear this. A Warrior Sound, international sound.
You talk about new tune, pussy.
The one man army, no boy, this is can dead before the entire way. Oh, you read him out specializing, killing, not talking, get done, it's like peanut card passing. Now hear this. Shaman.
Listen. Everybody, listen.
You know April 1st. Warrior in my warrior, we're not papa, we're not juggler. Warrior, a warrior, we're not solo, we're not others. Now hear this. A Warrior Sound, international sound, man. You hear me? I'm match the one man army, no boy, this can dead before the entire way.
You see me, I stand alone. Big up Pow Juggler, Stone Laugh, Addis. Big up Charo and Rodigan. My heroes.
Soon as it we easy, we bubble them for burst.
Listen, Stuttgart.
They are not April 1st. Warrior in my warrior, we're not papa, we're not juggler. Warrior, a warrior, we're not solo, we're not others. Warrior, a warrior, we're not Roddy, we're not Jara.
Everybody turn
up! Well, we are sprinter, say you like the run of them. Now hear this, a Warrior Sound, international sound, man. You hear me? I'm match the one man army, no boy, this can dead before the entire way.
Warrior, the one man army.
Don't look like peanut card.
Tell them.
Now hear this. Shaman.
Ready.
Soon as it we easy, we bubble them for burst. Tell them say we birthday, you know April 1st. Warrior in my warrior, we're not papa, we're not juggler. Warrior, a warrior, we're not solo, we're not others. Warrior, a warrior.
Everybody give me something in the ear when you want to see sound then tonight. Ready.
We are sprinter, say you like the run of them a finger. Yeah, from the start to the beat, we are the killer, we are not sorrow. Now for the vampire, say you take the experience.
And you know what? Tonight you have Junior Blender, Spider, Panzer, Arno and Chris round here. I wonder where Denny Fire is. Send all of them come, you see me?
Make it play. Instant. No delay.
Me not afraid of none of them pussy.
Warriors.
Me not afraid of none of them.
Pound for pound.
Send every one of them, one by one.
Fucking town.
Mattia ain't scared, motherfucker. Ain't scared, motherfucker. Warrior kill your sound anywhere, motherfucker. Ain't scared, motherfucker. Ain't scared, motherfucker. Warrior kill your sound anywhere.
Let's go.
Jump on where we kill ya. Take the trophy outside. Take the trophy outside. Take the trophy outside.
Yo!
Cause I don't leave my dub in the trunk of my ride. In the trunk of my ride. In the trunk of my ride. Before you fuck around, just let me stop.
And you see the Supersonic tag. The peng tag. When I went to kindergarten, like 25 years ago, my gun sounded better than peng already. That's a blood clot kindergarten tag. Before kindergarten, you see my gun?
We ain't like chatting with some pussy boy.
You see my gun?
I'm Mattia song.
It now do peng. You see the Warrior gun? You see my gun?
On the 16, this your gun goes to raga. How we gun sound raga.
Yeah!
Bust it all around. Raga. Mattia gun goes to raga. How we gun sound raga. Bust it out a town. Bust it out.
Honestly, when Chris stopped playing sound vibration, he called me and wanted to sell me sound vibration dub plates so I can splice in my name. All who say music over money, put your two hands in the air. All who don't want no fake tune, put your hands in the air.
That is some work.
You know what I reply?
Chance. with your internet dubs.
What me say?
Then again, but we know in them spliced up plate and fuck with. Warrior sound we got on them in a dopey. We know in them spliced up plate and fuck with.
What me do tonight?
Warrior sound and the crew.
What me do tonight? Stuttgart, what me do? Listen.
Warrior sound a kill them with creativity. All the sound them in the world them want to follow we.
Whoa! Mad vibes. Clash is on fire. Right now, let's do it real quick, before the microphone cut off again. All right. Visualize the third round, everybody. Remember, think about the third round now. All who say Supersonic, take the third round. Put your hands in the air right now. All right. Now, all who say Warrior Sound, take the third round. Put your hands in the air. All right. Remember, this is going live to the world on jugglers.de and raggakings.net. And we have an online voting going on jugglers.de. And the online voting says 58% say Warrior take round number 3. And 35% say Supersonic take the round number 3. And 7% say it's a draw. Yeah. Alright, so remember to log on online as well. Right now, that make it 3 round for Warrior Sound. Yeah? Okay. Round number 4, Stuttgart Champions League clash. Please welcome on stage, Supersonic!
It's alright. Just boo me. It's gonna be experience for me. And it's gonna be alright. You know, me not carry no feelings. I know you wanna see Warrior win the one. Yeah, it's alright with me. It's just honor me introducing ourselves into Supersonic. You can fight me as long as you want, but me not gonna vanish. Me still gonna be here tomorrow. Me just gonna play some tune for you right now. I don't play the one, yeah.
Rainbow Warrior, not get no money tonight, no. The desperate youth matcha is begging a fight, Lord. Oh Lord, Sonic left them dead and buried. Oh Lord, Sonic left them dead and buried.
You see, Mattia, you're full of cheap talk. You're coming about peng peng and no gun thing. Which kind of gun make the sound of raga raga? Me never hear that. Me never hear that one yet. Never.
Rastafari.
You're just an idiot.
Hey, what you wanna play? Yeah. That's what Supersonic's concerned. Supersonic will never lose their way. Yeah.
You're just an idiot.
We're going, no time to reverse. Yo, we must kill your sound. We have to kill your sound. Jump and selectors.
I know how we do it. You know when we bust got shot, me bust real got shot.
I reloaded. Oh.
Smell me fucking nozzle in your blood clot fierce pussy. Smell it.
Supersonic, lay those songs. Yeah. Set the moon for wind to all a different energy. Don't panic, kill sound boy. Tell a bumbo, don't ramp with weed. Me look at me telephone. Kill him with the one drop. This one is for y'all, bad mind.
Hate me if you want to hate me. I'm only get greater by you. Give thanks to all of the haters in the world.
But tonight is judgment time. Them dead in the sound fight. It's one time.
It's alright, Matcha.
Some sound boy, I play them jump and sound all night. And nothing not gone. We are say it better if them low out the music thing. I go plow the farm. It no easy. If not idiot sound boy, this our sound. No, it no easy for this our sound. Them boy, they a clown. Sound boy, if you know it. Supersonic kill from a little time ago.
Supersonic play a
big up the Sonic fans still. For me know you're happy that Sonic come back into the Clash Arena in Germany. You are.
It's been a long, long time now. Supersonic, them a kill jump and like this. A different vibe is in the air. Supersonic play dubs again. Happiness and spider face. Meanwhile I jump and I get erased. Smile and greet with real friends. Kill sound all over again. Yeah, boy. And I say gun, 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 gun them down. Kill jump and like this with the dub plate again. Supersonic killer jump and again.
I don't play me one more busy.
Supersonic, yeah, representing. I do not blend us.
How we got to do for you?
Supersonic make jump and get turned over. We murder some jump and sound in ya. And no boy can this spider. Him can't violate not even pants.
I come up and call spider pussy. For me never dip on the mic tonight.
Plate in the area. A little jump and sound get kick over. We violate Supersonic and we murder. Kill them sound ya beat. And me say nah ways when we killing you. Kill you, kill you, kill you, kill you. Supersonic.
I see the first clash for Anu and me on Supersonic. Let me send out a warning to all of the sounds who are trying to test me in the future. You know how we do.
When we looking at the clash and we analyze things and liquor food, so now move right. Them a play a bag of dub and them a chat a bag of things right, and now them not create no vibes. Give it up. Serious time, some gruesome crime. Endless sound tonight, them a.
But know you want to see me dead tonight. But you want one in the future. Kill the one of them.
This is a warning for the idiots on the street.
Hey yo, hey follow me now.
Sonic back again.
Supersonic sound kill again. Pussy them again slaughter now. Hey the sound class starter now.
Hold on, Ano. Certain kind of sounds them are still claim them a bat. But me not know what them do on a weekend when Supersonic travel all over the world and do that thing, yeah.
Pants are working, spider working, Danny Fear working, Kimani working, Supersonic working, hey! Sound like a dead, this me a wait for. Give me the blunt and the rolling paper. Supersonic fly, I like a bird, I like a skyscraper. Me tell you this, sound like a die, this me a pray for. Give me the blunt and the rolling paper. I make me fly, I like.
Once again, you're coming with the stupid money argument, pussy.
On to them sound boy, man. Supersonic sound, I go kill ya. Supersonic sound, I go kill ya. Make them know sense.
I see Matcha.
Some sound boy have no money. Supersonic use a double it and done it. Me is enough sound boy I'm more funny. How them for real man, them boy they a beat man. Sound boy have no money. Can't afford the plate, them splice and bunny. Me is enough sound boy I'm more funny. How them for real.
I see Matcha, you with your loose stock.
Supersonic sound we give them up some. Angle the bang, angle the bang, angle the bang, yo. Supersonic as the sound boy for Encanada. Angle the bang, angle the bang, angle the bang. Supersonic sound come make we kill off the whole of them. Yo, we put out some like that we know the panda. Yeah.
I see Matcha, it feels safe right now. But the clasher, it gonna go over 3 hours from now. Pussy, you feel like you run the place.
Say that them a run the place, and I done the place. Put them out of space, yeah. Supersonic run the place, and govern the place. I will lock the place.
Make sure that you don't run out of tune, pussy. Cause Supersonic, we have to tune them.
Yes, Berlin, Germany. I make you know Supersonic in a class myself. Supersonic, the champion people talking about. Yes, when them sing up the plate, it run out. We kill them like east, west, north and south. Anything test them.
What them call it, Sonic?
Supersonic, you know a murderer. Supersonic, them a rump out, yeah.
Murderer.
Incoming the original Chronics and Supersonic pan them and jump and have to run away. I mean, and I say run things, Junior Blender don't say next word, Panta blend myself. And I say Danny don't say next word, neither. Hey. Timpana come to take we life are the funniest thing we ever see. Because them never know say we are kill sound boy from we born. We are them worst enemy. Supersonic. Them coulda get no dub from we. Cause them heart it full up of jealousy. So watch it make Supersonic bust the dub plate in the dance like a buckle of NSA. And kill them. We are go kill them for certain. and bring the trophy go a Berlin.
Hold on. You see, Mattia? He might win the first 3 rounds, that's alright. But the first rule of Champions League clash is we care 0. And Supersonic, we are gonna play until this place gonna lock off. Make sure you have some tune, cause we have belly pussy.
Yo, Supersonic.
We are real killer.
So let me see some guns.
Are you looking at the history of Supersonic?
Well, who played the most clash? Not Supersonic. Who killed the most sound? Not Supersonic. Who collect the most crown? Not Supersonic. 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 Who the sound them no like? Not Supersonic. Who them all a plan up to fight? Not Supersonic.
Are you see Supersonic? We are the fucking notorious sound killer. I hear what, Matcha? You still talk of them sound vibration things, you little fuzzy. Me know say you love sound vibration. And you know, recently him told you, I want to sell him my dub plates. Pussy hole. You know, say the sound vibration dub plates, me could have given everybody, it wouldn't change anything. It would be still Arno and me are the only people who can bust this. But this is a memory thing. Sound vibration gone. Arno and me, we are Supersonic right now.
Hey boy, Mattia, remember this. Somebody come talk about the sound vibration. Cause Supersonic will say, yo, me run the rhythm. Cause bad man a fuck pigeon, a bad man thing. Hey Lord, go on. Well, some boy you remember about. I come a talk around off your thinking mouth. Remember this about out. Memories don't live like people do.
Lord, you pussy, you play it again.
Remember this, somebody come talk about.
And see, I know me, we have replaced a Supersonic. We bust you pussy.
Hey Lord, go on. Well, some boy you remember about. I come a talk.
What do you pussy?
Remember this about out. Memories don't live like people do. Remember we will always murder you. Remember things are good or bad. It's just
you still dream of soup.
Them a play the name and a DJ any day. Bumbo will stop live down in the past.
Pussy hole. I know Matthias' greatest wish is once in a life play heavy hammer and once in a life play sound vibration. That I am greatest wish in a fucking life. You are pussy.
Run it, Papa. But we should 10 sales up even now.
And see, I know me, we have fucking reached a Supersonic. We reach a Supersonic pussy. You never reach sound vibration.
The pussy them afraid of the anthem. Kill them Arno and Chris. You are the real top around the business. New generation of Supersonic.
Lord of his mercy, pussy hole.
We should 10 sales up even now. Murdering people. Supersonic, the king of Europe.
And see, I know me, we are fucking tuned pan Sonic, pussy.
The pussy them afraid of the anthem. Kill them Arno and Chris. You are the real top around the business. New generation of Supersonic. Alright then, shoot to kill and we don't shoot and miss.
Supersonic, we have a private burial ground.
Remember me telling you the clash go and go for 3 hours right now, pussy. We get 0. Match at the end of the night, you might win the first 3 rounds, but you what?
Supersonic, we put one more dopey on the dopey. One more dopey on the dopey.
You know how Supersonic make fucking dopey?
Supersonic sound, then are the king of Europe. Make the place Europe. Burn them all, yeah.
3 minutes, we get 0.
Many souls will have to suffer, and many souls will have to die. Now walk Supersonic, why?
Hold on, let it play, let it play, let it play, let it play.
I tell them, but you know, for them prepared to die.
Are you big up Jugglers, the promoter? Big up Jugglers, the promoter. Big up all of the sounds out here. But you what?
Jugglers and Sentinel a go crumble and shy. This Supersonic, know them a row a go fly. Warrior pow now the whole of them a die. Well tell Mighty Crown say the whole of them a die. Heavy a man know me say when most
what
of them
a stinking consultant.
It me say them whole of them a die. Foundation sound me say we left them a cry. Sound boy brains a figure fight a one and name many. Sound we love to suffer.
Yo, hold on, Matcha. You feel like you win the first 3 rounds and I think they done yet? Boss, you're still a small sound for Sonic. You're still a small sound.
Equal rights and justice for all. Rise and never fall. Sound boy, what you got to do? Well, enough sound not true. Them the Supersonic can get slew, yeah. Who do you think you are? You're just a little small sound. As wicked as you think you are, you're just a little dead sound.
You're still a small sound for we bomber clap pussy. Play me Chronics, Anno. Play me motherfucking Chronics.
10 step ahead of them. Hey, a Sonic we got. Selassie I federal. So tell her jump on this time funeral. Whoa. And I say welcome Sonic, the general. I tell her sound boy this say. We step in a deep war, make a entry. And them fi know we are the sound of the century. And we no need no old fool fi defend we. In our house we have the trophy, them plenty. Hey, them a pre-man in the city. Get fi find out them a demon in the city. When it all boil down, deep and nitty-gritty see clear.
But you feel like you are a warrior.
Over evil, right from we heart. Jump and a run when them see the class start. We a warrior boy.
Supersonic, we kill warrior boy.
Supersonic. Try gunshot up in the middle like a fucking hydraulic ship.
Hold on, Matcha. What have you doing to the Sound Clash business lately? You see Supersonic? You see Supersonic?
Spider, none of mercy. Hannah, well, tell them sound lock off. Supersonic, I come murder them bumbo clot. We ready figure done them alleyway. From UK, go back at you.
Hold on. People, do we have some bounty killer fans in here? Do we have some fucking bounty killer fans? When I say bounty, you say killer. Bounty! Bounty!
No mercy. People dead. That's right.
Pussy on!
Murder boy. All 4 seasons of the year. Anytime, anywhere. We done them, we no care. Supersonic, them up.
Hold on. You see, all 4 seasons of the year. In spring, we kill motherfucking Sultan and herbalize it in Austria. In the summertime, jugglers and composti get burned down into the fucking burial ground. Excalibur 2, a fucking Trinidad. And you know what? Then in autumn, we go on New York. We go on New York and kill Holy Pass sounds. Every fucking season we killing sounds. What have you doing? You know how me kill you?
That's right. None mercy. Hannah, go get the fucking guns and hammer. I want to them fool. Danny fire.
You know how me kill sound?
We just make a dopey with 9.
Let me play my final entry for the round, yeah. Hold on. You want me to talk? No, man. Me not talk. Can the tune talk itself? Ronnie, my friend, come in.
Ey Matja, du siehst dich ja gar nicht mehr und überhaupt hörst du die Einschläge nicht. Alle schleimen rum, aber jemand muss dir mal die Wahrheit sagen. Sonic ist ein Todesurteil. Matja, was ist los mit dir? Sag uns doch mal warum. Kommst du auf den Clash, hast von Clash keine Ahnung? Das ist ein Begriffnis, wir spielen ab zur Untermalung. Denn du spielst 30 Tappis, Quincy parallel im Grab. Keine Ahnung, Championz League, merkt euch dieses Datum. 1.12. früh versagt dem Warrior die Atmung. Du hast es so gewollt, Sonic reicht mir mal einen Spaten. Doch bevor du stirbst, Matja, hier noch ein, 2 Fragen. Zuerst, warum hast du deine Freundin mitgebracht? Wie kann man kriegt sie, dann kriegt sie eine Kugel ab. Du nennst dich One-Man-Army, hast du mal nachgedacht? Ne One-Man-Army ist man, wenn man keine Freunde hat. Wieso scheißt du auf die Gage, machst dich öffentlich zum Clown? Sonic ist halt kein 3 Euro rum nachts auf. Was machst du hier im Zollamt? Nein, du findest keine Schwab, die dir Backstage besoffen, Face of Face einblasen. Brauchst du heimlich Crack oder bist total verblödet? Ein Shut It Up hat noch nie einen Sound getötet. Wenn man die Einschläge nicht hört und sich selber nicht mehr sieht, nur dann kann man glauben, dass man gegen Sonic siegt. Die töten dich im Zollamt, im U-Club und im Jahr. Miete 100 Busse und trotzdem musst du sterben. Sonic tanzt nicht zu Last Christmas, so wie du und deine Fans. Sonic rangiert Bands, tötet Sound, setzt Trends.
Hold on, Matja. Early on, you called Spider to deal with you, right? You want Spider to deal with you?
Go and back him, pussy boy. Go and back him. Round number 4. Warrior Sound!
You know what, Stuttgart? Yo. Boy. Him say my greatest wish is to play heavy hammer and sound vibration. You see, my greatest wish in my life is to sort out my wife and my family and have a good life. All who want to have a good life, put your hands in the air. That's the most important thing in a life. Simple like that. Then you see Supersonic, the super money sound. Them have certain tune calling my name. They call my name in dub plates and pay money for custom tune. You see, Warrior? You are a joke tonight, Supersonic. I don't need that. I don't need to pay an artist for a one-night custom. My dub plates are built to last forever. Forever. You know what I say? Let me tell you this. Listen.
No custom, no custom, no custom, no name called dub.
Supersonic.
No.
Listen, Stuttgart, listen.
No custom, no.
Listen, Supersonic.
No custom, no name called dub. Sound boy. Warrior don't need a custom dub for killing you. Sound boy. Mattia don't need a name called dub to murder you. Sound boy.
Let me cuss you in the morning.
Go suck out your thinking nasty, don't you? Bumble female mama. Bumble die. Biddy biddy bang bang, biddy bang bang, biddy bang bang, biddy 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 bang bang, biddy bang bang.
Let me cuss you in the morning, Supersonic.
Bang bang, kill them warriors, sound national. Mattel man, Michelle. Go suck out your mama, your mama, your mama. Me say go suck out your thinking nasty mama. Tonight you die by Warrior International.
Only one sound a rule tonight. That is Warrior Sound.
New York.
Tell him.
Hear me now. Alright then.
Tell him.
We are the cold-blooded sound killer. One man army sound forever.
Yeah.
We are the cold-blooded sound killer.
Supersonic. You come with a bag shot and tell people some blood clot lie. You know what? Stuttgart can't take it no more.
We know why hear your story. Don't tell us your story. We know why hear your story.
Everybody listen, that one your name.
Trophy, hey. I can't remember one good dub you playing this clash. From the first round to the dub for dub your little sound flop. You try test Warrior Sound and go on like you're bad, but you can't find a tune for kill Warrior Sound, you're mad. You can't test Matty at the one man army. We have up the big mat 90 pound. We all when a million sound try swarm. We pop off with the plate when we cut her.
Yo!
Sound boy just dead true greed and glutton. Promote and manipulate and press them button. But you're dead now, so you can't tell man nothing.
Easy, Stuttgart.
Warrior Sound, we have a bust your butt.
Tell a boy.
Over the sun, make me tell you no something. True with the your clash, now you can't tell we nothing. And me a somebody, I chop them up like mutton.
What me do, eh?
Go dead, hey Warrior Sound. Hey, we have the title. Your sound flop now. We kill your easy warrior, dip on top now. We kill your career and bust up some shot now. Ra, ra.
You see, tonight, my God, I never thought it would be that easy to kill Supersonic. You see, Warrior?
Murderation! If it's killing them willing, Mr. Lover come murder them boy.
You see my sound?
Now I'm a shooter. Kill them with the dub, yeah. We kill them with the dub, yeah. Pussy up.
How me kill you, pussy?
The dub, yeah.
That one your name?
The dub, yeah. Warrior Sound. Say we fantastic. Kill the pussy hole, you know, say that we do.
You see me lick gun, me have enough ammunition.
96 gunshot to the sound boy head in dead years. Real and Warrior Sound.
Everybody give me a gun and I'm point pump blood clot Supersonic now.
Says it's 96 gunshot to sound boy head.
Pussy.
Sound boy you dead. Oh,
when warrior sound kill sound.
Yeah!
Ya know we ain't no clown.
You know what, the next tune? Some people might say it don't belong in Sound Clash. But when a tune is mentioned in the Guinness Book of Records for the most radio airplays within 1 week globally, I think this is really a big tune. So right now, the one in him $2 million dub plate.
Now this one dedicated to Warrior Sound International. Hey, Marshall and Pasha.
This is Shaggy alongside Raven representing Warrior Sound.
Warrior Sound. Now this is Raven and Child with a combination of Mr. Flip is by music. This is a catch up.
Supersonic, back to reality. The one in him big tune.
Oh, you tell him now, Raven. Warrior Sound.
Sound boy, you a go dead now. Matty a murder, a junk.
Stop, yeah!
And if you try to say warrior, your days are go done. We are the champion. See warrior, them run things now. We come for murder your team.
All who read Shaggy and love what he did for dancehall culture. Put your hands in the air, Stuttgart.
Life is one big party when a sound come.
But who's living in a box when the dance done?
If a sound boy come, this the program.
Warrior Sound,
not a hype on a promotion.
Hey!
But the killing we have for you is so strong. Warrior Sound play the wickedest selection.
Tell them, Shaggy!
We have no corporation. We kill a sound boy with no hesitation.
Say sound boy, you a go dead now. Matty a murder.
I win 3 rounds already. You say you play for 2 hours.
Warrior, your days are...
I think after this round it already done and me lock you up to blood clot. Can you see you?
Don't drink coffee, I drink roots, my dear.
Yo!
Burn some herb from time to time. You must know that Warrior Sound International going to kill sound boys every time. See them driving down the Autobahn. Figure kill sound boys in a class.
All who want to see sound dead tonight, give me some motherfucking gun on up there.
Boys in the...
Me not afraid of none of you, Supersonic.
Oh, Warrior Sound not afraid of them. Warrior Sound will murder them. This is Warrior Sound International.
Soon you will find out that the Warrior Sound.
Everybody give me 2 hands if you're ready for the murderation. Give me 2 hands.
Warrior Sound are the number 1.
Pussy.
And it's for the sound boy.
Everybody 2 hands.
The Warrior Sound. He's going to bring a bam bam. Warrior Sound will cut you down. Bam bam sidam bam.
And you see Spider? You see Spider? Him take some money. Him take some Supersonic big money. Send it to Jamaica and pay people that they tell him what I have voiced for this clash. Alu Bonin Farmer, give me some motherfucking gun on in the ear. Yo! Tell him!
Farmer, you never know, say Warrior Sound, them I go blame him. I look at the boom boom down.
Stop
the man say that I miss no mistake somewhere down the lane. I look at the boom boom down in Farmer. You never know, say that I miss no me, I go blame him. I look at the boom boom.
Get ready for your murderation, pussy. That one your name. Hey!
You know.
Yo, ready when you're ready, Warrior Sound, we are no guy. They ready for die, pussy ready for die. Hey, send me the eagle and the pressure we apply.
You see my sound, the one man army.
Oh, sound boy, I pose like a shutter.
Supersonic.
And start run when Warrior Sound is nearby. Whoa, 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 when Matty I play tune, you a stutter. This is how we do it when we make.
Everybody give me some energy, put it up.
Tired of your shit, Warrior Sound boss hits, get ready for die. Get
Shabba shabba in there. Dip on the big band sound warrior.
I kill pussy regular, no problem.
Number 1, hey. Alright. You see we moving in the kill sound regular. Warrior sound a warrior. Anything we ready for. Sound get turned over. If them pass the border, fit in the arena. Anything we ready for.
Tell them. Supersonic is dead already. Them loose all around. All who agree that Supersonic is dead already, give me some motherfucking hands in the air. Championz League!
A warrior just kill the sound the 4-way. Kill it at the double, it's emergency. Tonight, night them try test way. Tonight, night them dead and buried. Say them dead, them dead.
warrior and a sound boy dead. They coming like a load gun cock to them head. They use a dumb plate and chop off them head. They kill them, dead before them friend. Say them dead them. Them say them bad, them say them mad, them say them wicked and wicked. But until left the warrior, it come around the country. We just ram down.
And it's the warrior sound. I always stay humble. If you book me for a clash or a juggling, the money is not a big difference. Cause I'm a humble youth. I don't charge big money for sound clash. Cause I love kill sounds. All who love sound clash, put your motherfucking hands in the air.
My name is Batman Suffered Lights, but those are the boom and drop. Play by the king, love is all I bring. Play by the one champion, so called Warrior International. I say y'all know love warrior sound and I put up on no honor.
Stuttgart!
I say y'all know ready to go kill, jump and put up your one.
Tell a boy!
Because killing pussy and we kill them for fun.
This is like a lunge and we give orders, we don't take orders.
Anu and Chris, you better leave right now.
Now this one is Kalanja and Kokoti, we taking over.
Anu and Chris, you better leave right now. What me do to Uno?
Lord, sound boy. We send you home to your nana. Your nana, send you home to your nana. Your nana, cause Matia is taking over. You cannot find this a dub, yeah.
All my sister fans line up. That one you
here. Warrior sound taking over, and we got nothing to fear. Stepping over.
Alright. You see Supersonic, them feel like them are the baddest thing when it come to sound clash. Them feel bad na blood clot, but the last 3 rounds, them flop themselves. Tonight, them coming like the joke of Europe. Not the king of Europe, they are the joke of Europe tonight. You see that? Pussy. You're the joke sound of tonight. You try fool the people. You try fool the people. You feel like you're bad. Let me show them that they are not bad. Let me show them that only one sound a rule tonight. Let me show them that that is Warrior International.
Greetings, massive. My name is Carlton Coffee, the original
Inner Circle and Bounty Killer.
Kingston, Jamaica, alongside Bounty Killer. See?
I gotta be going like Carlton Coffee. Some boy that's done dopey.
Jackson, what you gonna do when Bounty Killer and Carlton Coffee come for you, yeah?
We never carry a clown.
Tell me.
Supersonic, you are a joke tonight. Listen.
Joke sound, who you want for food? Big warrior sound is better than you, joke sound.
Them feel bad. Easy.
Send Bounty Killer for murder you.
I said them top. Warrior sound them on the guard. I know what you had.
Pussy. Greetings, massive. My name is Carlton Coffee, the original bad boy from out of Trenchtown, Kingston, Jamaica, alongside Bounty Killer.
The joke of Europe get murdered tonight.
Some boy that's done dopey.
Jackson, what you gonna do when Bounty Killer and Carlton Coffee come for you, yeah?
We never carry a clown.
All who say the joke sound is dead right now, put your fucking hands in here.
When warrior sound come for you, yeah. Joke sound, who you want for food? Big warrior sound is better than you, joke sound.
Where are my Bounty Killer fans? Give me some signal.
Bounty Killer for murder you.
I said them top. Warrior sound them on the guard. I know what you had. One let me
Mad. Championz League, what do you say? Mad vibes in the morning, mad. Big up everybody. Yeah, whoa, mad. Big up everybody. This was round number 4. Yeah, okay. So right now, you know the process. All who say Supersonic, take round number 4. Put your hands in the air now. who say Warrior Sound, take round number 4. Put your hands in the air. No. What I say? Them, well, hey, them say they want to do it again to make sure. Them say again to make a check. All who say Supersonic, take round number 4, put your hands in the air. All who say Warrior Sound, take round number 4, put your hands in the air. Okay. I think we're clear. Mad. Well on. Yeah. Big up everybody. Clash is nice. The nice is very nice. Yo, it's a bad dance. Big up Stuttgart City. Big up Club Zalam. Big up Championz League Sound Clash. Big up everybody listening online. Show the world one more time. You guys are a wicked Sound Clash crowd. Make some noise. Mad. Big up every Sound Clash promoter, every dancehall fan. Big up everybody. Big up C-Tag listening online. Right now, it's all about the finals. Right now, it's called the Last Man Standing. Yeah, man. You see the trophy right here? The trophy is right here. So, right now, big up Supersonic family, Panzer, Spider, Junior Blender, Chris, Arno, in the building tonight. Big up Supersonic, the big sound, in the building tonight. Big up Mattia, Warrior Sound, in the building tonight. Right now, one sound is gonna die. One sound is gonna die in the Last Man Standing finals. I'm gonna hand over the microphone. Supersonic, I go start. Right now, anything you wanna do, anything you guys wanna do, sort it out. Yo. I see Stuttgart. To be honest, Mattia won 4 rounds already, right? He won everything. It's quite clear you want to see him win, right? So, should I really fight him anymore? I see Arno and me is an experience for ourselves, and I'm not blind. I'm not blind. I know you want to see him win, and it's alright with me. It's alright with me. Mattia, you see the one, yeah? The one that is for you, you deserve it. It's alright. It's alright. Hold on. You don't want him to win? You don't want him to win? Him win already, right? Him win already, right? Okay, let me tell you one thing. Supersonic, we could play for hours and hours, won't be no problem, but you want to see him win, it's alright with me. I carry no hard feelings. Mattia, you're still my friend. You're still my friend. Nothing to worry about. You see, talk to the people. I'm gonna play a tune, but it's your trophy, it's alright. It's alright with you? It's alright with you? It's alright. But you know what? Can I play some tunes for the people before you talk? One? One? You want Supersonic to play tune? Alright, we're gonna play 3 tune. And if you switch on the decision, if you say this trophy should go to Supersonic, me have the tune for you. Play it.
Champion Leagues clash. Yeah, hear me all Stuttgart people, original Ben Stone. Me own over anthem round here, 5-star tell sing Ben Spunani. That a carbon. No disrespect to 5-star tell, but I me sing it in the 90s and it hit. Now me I sing it for the big sound, Supersonic.
You want that trophy go on Supersonic?
This is that trophy there. True right now the clash I keep a Ben Stone. Me call it the Ben's trophy. Boom. Give me the Ben's trophy, make me go and bring it to home in a Ben Stone. Matter you get copper and chroma. Give me the Ben's trophy, make me go and bring it out. Matter you get a shot straight now mouth. Kill a whole jump and Supersonic talk about. Goof them na them face, goof them na them mouth. One name matter ya, him the all bout. A fuck be a batty ride donkey all bout. And I go like say, I am run the road.
Stuttgart, you want to see Supersonic fight for the one, yeah? If you want to see Supersonic fight for the one, yeah, say yes!
Bring that. I'm going to Miss Osborne, say so. That's all now. Rough. We gonna murder zinc man tonight. A Supersonic murder sound. sound boy tonight. We gonna kill them. We gonna murder, zinc pan tonight. A supersonic murder jump on tonight. Say everything dead in the sound clash tonight. We gonna kill your sound tonight. Supersonic I go kill.
I don't play back pussy, you play ghetto.
Say everything dead in a Stuttgart tonight.
I don't get to thing.
Worries, worries, and problems. Worries, worries.
Play the one, play the one.
Worries and problems.
What one, Ian?
Dr. Arno and Chris tonight.
I see early in the dance spot, you come at me and say, nice Frankie Paul where your voice. If you're bad, play the counteraction. Play it.
King feel up, yeah. Oh.
If you're bad, play the fucking counteraction.
Sonic killing sound. King feel up. Warrior in the dance. Them dead tonight. Warrior in the dance. We are gonna kill them.
It's alright with me, Mattia. It's yours. No. Don't be a coward. You know what I do? I put the trophy back here. I put it back here. And right now, pussy, 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 and pussy, may I go murder you. You see, from early, I say music over money. I say music over money. I don't care about little sound clash money, cause me juggle every week. Warrior Sound on the road regular. And just before the news was about to drop that this clash is going to happen, I get the news by the promoter that I have to give half of my money to Supersonic or they will cancel the clash. Honestly. So right now, you see, this is the half of my money. The half of my fee. Spider, here's your money that you wanted to take this clash.
Hey yo, yeah. It's na 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 na.
All who don't care about money and say music over money, give me 2 hands in the air right now.
We tell them, make them know say this a Roman Virgo. Make them know say this a warrior.
Right now the lock off just start. Listen the lyrics. Listen, hold on.
Warrior son no care about money. Like your son where you run down it. Matthias stay humble while your son more funny. You are right. Yeah. It's na 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 na.
I lose say music over money. 2 hands in the air, Stuttgart.
And so we tell them, make them know say this a Roman Virgo. Make them know say this a warrior sound. Make them know say this a Roman Virgo.
Ready?
Warrior sound no care about money. Like your son where you run down it.
Listen, I lose say music. Put your hands in the air. I lose say music.
Tonight you get beat.
Hear this.
We put music over money. We not change and we not more funny.
Right now, Chris, come back on stage. Cause if you are a big man, you know what you do right now.
Benny, you die tonight. Benny.
If you are a big man, you know what you do right now. Supersonic, you know what you do right now. Listen.
Benny. Oh, give me the trophy now. Oh, give me.
Good. Give me the trophy. Give it to me. Big up Stuttgart, me love honor. Yo.
Stuttgart, do we have a winner tonight? Championz League, do we have a winner tonight? Who win tonight? Who are the winner tonight? Where's the show of hands?
Wagwan ENT.